What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that will be disclosed today. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you two crucial ranges where this asset might land by the end of this week. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that right after this massive spike in its price, and the reason of this spike was the rumors of acquiring the rest of Lucid publicly traded shares by Saudi Arabian public investment fund. And these rumors wasn't confirmed, but it also wasn't denied. And because of this lack of information, and basically for a couple of weeks we had absolutely zero fundamental news from Lucid Motors. And because of this lack of news, my main assumption that this asset might go lower. And from this point I've told you that it might hit even this green bar. It is the range of support that has the confluence of several pivot points, and it is the range at roughly $8.3 mark. But instead of this, it had this movement to the upside, and then it retraced again to the same exact point where it was previously. And we cannot confirm any movements to the downside, to the upside, or to the downside with the volume. This means we cannot rely on any further price action right before the earnings report. And definitely the main catalyst for this asset will be their earnings report that will be published today in the evening, right after the bell. And because of this, we have to patiently wait, and let me show you what should we wait. So if you type in Google search bar LCID stock and switch to news tab folder, you can find a lot of news that is screaming about the anticipation from their earnings report. And I have to say that let me pay your attention first of all on this article. It was published on February 21st, and it's titled Lucid Group Earnings Preview. Deliveries forecast, Saudi Arabia update and pricing news could jolt shares. And let me quote you this. Newark, California-based Lucid is forecast to report revenue of $274 million and earnings per share loss of 40 cents for the quarter. However, most of attention of investors is expected to be on the production timeline update, pricing strategies, and any commentary on the investment from the Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia. And definitely on this earnings report we have to see some clarifications from the C executives or from Public Investment Fund, directly related to the recent rumors of the acquisition. And if these rumors will be confirmed, definitely it will push the price of Lucid higher. But if they will deny these rumors, or they will not disclose any information, definitely it will bring more bearish pressure on this asset. And let me show you further. So, in general, in this paragraph you can find that Morgan Stanley is not so bullish on Lucid, but at the next paragraph you can find that Bank of America has more positive view on Lucid Group. And in general, we have a lot of mixed behavior and mixed expectations from this earnings report, and this means we cannot predict, we cannot even think which direction this asset might go. And I have to say that we also have to see the information about their increasing number of inventory on their plant. And right here on Bear's Workshop YouTube channel, the latest stream was made about 2 weeks ago, and on this stream you can watch about more than 2,000 Lucid Airs that were produced for the last several months, and they didn't deliver these vehicles, and they collected it for some reasons that nobody knows. And let me show you that on their press release section we don't have any recent news that I didn't cover recently, and they don't have any news in their official Twitter account except this one, that basically it is an announcement of their earnings earnings report release date and time. And let me show you right here. If you click on this small icon, you can find this article, the price prediction for Lucid for 2025. And let me show you right here the information that is published right here. So even while BlackRock and Saudi Arabia's PIF might be bullish on Lucid stock, I only expect to reach $15 in 2025. So it is a bullish forecast, but it is not the best bullish forecast ever. I have to say that yes, we have BlackRock that added to its position about 11% recently. As you can see, the filing was made on February 13th, and they made this add-on to their position before the end of 2022. And Saudi Arabia Public Investment Fund also bought about $900 million in value in Lucid, the stocks in Lucid, and this was quite bullish signs. But in general, definitely we have to see more clarifications from Lucid authorities. What should we expect next and what are their guidance? So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, we are exactly at the same spot where we were previously when I made my previous video. And I have to say that this consolidation phase is located exactly in the middle, almost exactly in the middle of these two ranges. This range of resistance at roughly $13 to $13.2 mark, and this range of support at in the middle of $8.2 and $8.4 mark. And depending on the earnings report, the results of this earnings report, and especially depending on their forecast and expectations for the upcoming year, we might see these movements to the upside or to the downside. That will be confirmed by the volume. And if it happens, definitely we can rely on the bounces from this range of support, at least a bounce, or from this range of resistance. And if you want to enter your position, I highly recommend you not to buy or sell, not to long or short this stock. But if you are experienced trader, you can add your option position that will benefit you when the stock will go either way. And let me show you that the total anticipation, let me quote you this paragraph on Seeking Alpha article again, expect some share price volatility following the Lucid report. Short interest stands at 22.5% of total float, and options trading is implying a double-digit swing up or down after the report drops. Lucid rallied 17.7% the day after its last earnings report, and this means you can add your position that will benefit you if the stock will go higher or will go lower. But if it stays at this very range, it will lead to your losses. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm